Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about composition. So now I want to show you how to answer. About question 8, we need to find about tree of number 2. So here is about tree in here. Now we need to put number 2 go to this one, and that should be like this. This one we calculate and we have number 9. And now we have the square root of s, and then I will put number 9 cone here. And then we have number 3. Question B. So this one, that is about f of 3 of s. So 3 of s, that is about this one. And we have the function in here. So we just put this one cone here. That means we have the square root in here. So I will put this one cone here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.